Here we go, take it off. Give a round of applause. Have a look at this one.
Was represented there about 10 years ago.
You also look like you're in a seasoned campaigner. How many cars do you think just you might have had over your years?
Probably about 10, 8 or 10. Probably about 7 of those I shouldn't sign.
Have you always been a Holden fan?
Always, yes.
What was your first one?
FC.
It was an FC, so you stayed true.
Yep.
Now, here's a question I ask everyone. Well, let's talk about the start. When this start came to you, what sort of condition was it originally in?
It was reasonably good condition. I thought a lot of friends of ours they had it. It's passed with that, unfortunately. But on the second owner was only across it to talk the out on their shed.
Well, your daughter and then next son said, yeah, we're going to do it. The boys on the side of the car, so Geoff's got a couple of lights on, so I need the crowd to help me out to you guys. We're going to count it down from 5. Now I'm going to give it 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, take it off. Give a round of applause. Have a look at this one as it comes off. Oh, goodness me. That is absolutely stunning, ladies and gentlemen. Have a look at this thing. Gorgeous looking FC Holden. Stay here, Geoff, don't go anywhere as we walk around the two-tone. Beautiful two-tone. It is absolutely flawless. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Have a look at this thing. Not only is it a car, it's a bit of South Australian history. Made here in South Australia. Absolutely flawless framework all the way around. It's got the vintage number plates on it as well. And then, of course, we start to pick up those mirrors. Have a look at things like the exhaust bits of these. Come on in nice and close, ladies and gentlemen. Here's your chance to walk forward. Again, as you're looking at it right here, my friend. Tell me about the colour choice. What is the colour of the car called?
This is the original colours. All the colours, this is the original. It's
right, so they call that a paint insert. Inside you've got a very similar colour code over time?
Yes.
Still got the original sticker on the window. Maybe.
And the significant things for the people that really don't understand building cars, they don't want to be office, some of it is taken for granted. There's a little panel here, which is got a windscreen that will actually pop up to allow you to have flow-through ventilation. A lot of the modern cars have it integrated. The gearbox in this car is a metal gearbox and has a synchromesh, which allows you to hit. And that was really cutting-edge technology back when this car was built, as of course were the wheels and tyres and so forth as well. It was a vehicle that was designed for Australian roads. It was put through its paces in the outback, and of course it was put together up there at Adelaide as well. As you can see, you don't have a vehicle up inside. It is just stunning. Take the time to have a look at some of the spots that aren't normally staying. Look inside the doors, inside the door jambs. Underneath you can see what I'm saying about the exhaust. Coming through to the front, there's an angle you get from about here. If you look down through the mirror, the inside of the rims on this car are painted to match the outside of the rims. That is the level at which Geoff has gone through. Ladies and gentlemen, one more big round of applause for Geoff at this starting in South Australia. What an amazing car. Congratulations, Geoff. Thank you. I know you've got a few people you want to thank. Quickly run through who's helped you